Let's talk about really the focus now on Chandrababu Naidu and what he's expected to do for the state of Andhra Pradesh. It's clear the mandate has been given to Naidu to transform Andhra, much like what he did to United Andhra Pradesh when he served as the chief minister twice and, of course, made Hyderabad what it is today. And that's what earned him the tag of CEO CM of Andhra Pradesh then, because of how he converted Hyderabad into this mega cyber city. Today he speaks about Amravati becoming Singapore, developing it on a large scale. And let's take a look back at how he's done that in erstwhile Andhra Pradesh and perhaps could do it today if he gets all the finances he needs from the central government.
Chandrababu Naidu, in his first 2 terms as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, earned the nickname of being the CEO of the state. Postgraduate in economics, Chandrababu's functioning as the Chief Minister in the late 90s was very corporate in style that relied more on performance and tangible economic growth rather than traditional vote bank politics. It was reflected in the growth of the capital city of Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. It transitioned from being the Nizam city to a cyber hub of modern India with the growth of Hyderabad Information Technology and Engineering Consultancy or High-Tech City, also known as Cyberabad. Situated towards the northwestern region of Hyderabad, High-Tech City is a major high-tech business district. All thanks to Chandrababu Naidu, who impressed Bill Gates and ensured Microsoft to locate its India Development Center in Andhra Pradesh. His efforts were recognized globally, earning him several accolades, including being named South Asian of the Year by the Time magazine in 1999. Today, High-Tech City is one of the leading IT, health informatics, bioinformatics and engineering hubs of India, the foundation of which was laid in the first 2 terms of Chandrababu Naidu as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. In the decade that Chandrababu Naidu spent in the opposition bench, Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated and Telangana was born with Hyderabad as the common capital. Post-bifurcation, when Andhra Pradesh needed to plan its new capital city, the TDP Supremo in his 3rd term proposed development of Amravati. He faced strong opposition, and when he lost power to Jagan Mohan Reddy, led YSRCP in 2019, everything stalled. In his 3rd term as the Chief Minister of bifurcated Andhra Pradesh, he also launched several programs like Smart Village, Smart Ward to transform rural Andhra Pradesh, all in continuation to his CEO style functioning as the Chief Minister of the state. Andhra Pradesh has once again voted Chandrababu Naidu to power, hoping that he finishes the work started a decade back and lessens the gap between the rural-urban divide in the development of the state. Bureau Report, India Today.